Okay, where do I begin? Well, it all starts with medical instruments, surgical instruments for example, or drill heads, prostheses, trauma implants, spinal replacements, or dental technology. We even finish human spare parts from the 3D printer with our systems. This is called post-processing. The fastest growing area, however, is the orthopaedic implant technology for joint replacements. The best way to explain this is with an example. What I'm holding in my hands here are two knee implants, femur knee implants to be precise. One is polished and the other, as you can see, is relatively matte and untreated. A very low roughness and a high gloss surface are mandatory for these parts. We reduce friction and wear, increase the durability. Very important, we improve biocompatibility and avoid corrosion. To get from this state to this one, either someone has to polish manually and intensively for a very long time, or we need a mass finishing system, preferably a surf finisher. I will tell you more about this in the next episode.